What's up, YouTube? In this video, I'll be reviewing the 65-inch Samsung 7 Series Ultra HD 4K Smart TV. This TV comes fully loaded with some pretty awesome features like Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility, a super powerful 4K Ultra high definition processor, a modern slim design, crystal clear image quality, and much more, all for less than $600 on Amazon as of making this video. I'll leave a link in the description below for anyone who wants to check out all the specs and reviews. I bought this TV about 5 months ago and it's been in constant use ever since. Not only do I use it for watching all of my favorite movies and television shows, but I've also hooked it up to my Skytech Shiva gaming desktop PC, and now I use it for my main monitor for everything like gaming, streaming, video editing, rendering, and much more, and it works perfectly no matter which device I'm using. I've left a link for my Skytech Shiva PC review in the description below for those of you who are interested in a perfect gaming setup combo. The Samsung 7 series comes in multiple sizes ranging from 43 inches all the way up to 75. I decided to go with the 65 inch because it seemed like the best value for my budget, but if you wanted to go with a smaller or larger version, you could simply select your preferred size on the product page before adding the item to your cart. One of my favorite things about this TV is its compatibility with smart home devices like Alexa and Google Assistant. I connected my Echo Dot to it wirelessly in less than 2 minutes, and now I can control everything on this TV with my voice. With simple commands, Alexa can turn the TV on or off, change the volume up or down, change the channel, and even change the input to any device like your Xbox, PC, Blu-ray player, and a lot more, all with the power of your voice. So now you never have to worry about losing your TV remote again. If you don't currently have an Alexa device, I've left a link to the Amazon Echo Dot in the description below, and I highly recommend checking it out. Alexa makes everything so much easier, and she connects to pretty much any smart home device, but it would take hours to go over all the things she can do, so we'll save that for another video. The Samsung 7 Series TV offers 4 times the resolution of a full HD 1080p TV. The 4K UHD processor instantly upscales content to 4K level picture quality, even from non-native 4K sources, adding to the level of realism. This TV includes HDR or high dynamic range to reveal millions of shades of color with a vibrant picture that normal HD TVs can't create. UHD dimming dynamically fine-tunes the deepness of the blacks to the brightness of the whites for a picture with sensational contrast. The slim design of the Samsung RU7100 naturally fills in the contours of your space with a refined, modern aesthetic that complements your lifestyle and looks great in any home or office. You can even use Apple AirPlay to stream videos, music, and photos from your iPhone, iPad, or Mac to this TV wirelessly. Android users can also use this screen mirroring feature by downloading apps like SmartThings or SmartView. This TV has some of the best reviews for any 4K smart TV in its price range, and I couldn't be happier with this purchase. If you're in the market for a powerful television that does it all for under $600, then consider the Samsung 7 series. You won't be disappointed. I've left a link in the description below for those of you who want to learn more or buy now on Amazon. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll go ahead and smash that like button and notification bell. It really helps the channel grow, and I'm trying really hard to get my first 1,000 subscribers, so every sub helps at this point.